Hello, this is Michael Long. Welcome to IoT World. Today, here on the stand, we are demonstrating our indoor occupancy sensing technology for building automation. Here we're actually demonstrating our next generation Blip system called the Blip Mini, and this is inclusive of analog devices underlying processor and algorithmic technology, as well as technology from a recent acquisition called Snap Sensor out of Switzerland, and they have the underlying imager, CMOS imager here, and their own algorithmic technology. What we're showing here on screen is actually the output of this imager here that's doing surveillance. It's actually mounted above here on the top of the stand, and what that's doing is surveying an area that I've set through a configuration GUI, configuration tool on this GUI, to determine the level of occupancy for that area of surveillance. What we're doing then is charting the percentage of occupancy there on the GUI, as well as the local actuation of turning lights on based upon occupants, and pushing that data out from the local PC up to the cloud. Actually, the Analog Devices ADI Connect cloud that you see here, and we're pulling that back down in this mashup, this custom mashup that we've made to track that occupancy from anywhere on the planet remotely, giving building managers and other people that are interested in the data the ability to see that wherever they are. So thank you very much for watching, and I welcome you to come to our website and visit analog.com/blip, B-L-I-P, for more information on the system and ordering information for all of the components contained in this system. Thank you very much.